Happy to present our VOS 2D camera system. This is our universal vision sensor, and what we're showing here is a brand new product for us that we just released. So we offer this in two different examples. One is a universal example that can do positioning, can do barcode, can offer quality control in many different aspects. It's very simple to set up. There's also a unit that is dedicated completely just to coding, so it can do 2D, 1D, barcode, and counting of barcodes. So the next product I wanted to highlight is the Smart Runner 3D. So what's exciting about this product to me is what we're able to provide a 3D point cloud version of products in a tray or in a carton in the packaging industry, which can really help with quality control and knowing what's going on inside the package, so that maybe a Delta robot or even people that are packaging, whether the carton is full, are there defects. It is also available in a longer range version for time of flight that can drive an AGV vehicle. The last thing I'd like to show you today would be Pepperl+Fuchs' investment in IO-Link technology. We have been a founder in this, and we are actually vendor 001. We have a couple of different masters I'd like to bring to your attention. So over here, this product is what we call our ICE 11. We're excited to promote this because it is readily available and it offers 3 different protocol technologies. It is for more of a self-contained communication where you want to control from the device. It can communicate with EtherCAT, Ethernet IP, and Profinet. Over here, this is our flagship master, and with this, not only can you do Ethernet IP and Profinet out of it, but it also is capable of doing OPC UA and MQTT language, which allows you to very easily integrate any system and talk to an open networking capability.